internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different sort of video for you guys. As you can see, I have this big white folder that looks very inconspicuous. I wanted to share with you guys how I basically use all the stickers I get. So often when you use kits, you'll always have leftover stickers that you don't use for that particular spread. And what you do with those leftover stickers, I feel like everybody has a different way to handle it. Some people, I've heard, throw them out. Some will just keep them in a stash, and that stash just grows and grows, which is kind of what I did for a very long time, and I'm still kind of working through that stash. And the way I try to do that now is, rather than just having a massive stack of half-used stickers, I actually take all those stickers and I put them here. And so now I have a big folder of lots and lots of stickers from previous kits, and I put them here and categorize them so that when I want to either make a custom spread using everything here, or I use smaller kits or really old kits that don't have everything, I can reach into here and use the stickers. And so everything has a second life and has a chance to be reused. It is very messy, it isn't clean, but let me just, does it fit? Kind of. It does get cut off, but I can't zoom out anymore. I've zoomed out as much as I can. So as you can see over here, I have some old kits that I'm actually going to be putting into here. These stickers are all hydration related stickers from Lily Planner, which thank you so much, because she knows that I track hydration, so she sent me those, which is so nice. And so yeah, as you can see here, these are all A4 sheets of paper. And what I do is I cut out the stickers from the kits. I have a drawer of them over here, because what I do during the week is I don't like to sit here and stick every single day. I think that's just way too time consuming. So when I finish a kit, I tend to just cut out all the stickers that I don't use. I put them in this big drawer, and when it gets full, which is almost full now, I'll spend like a couple hours once a month or so sticking them all in here. Now that might sound like a total waste of time, and I couldn't agree more. If you have better things to do, it totally is a waste of time. But I actually find the whole process quite cathartic. It's very relaxing. So I like to put on a movie, usually something Marvel related, because I can just kind of watch it to the side and then just slowly put the stickers in here. And what I like to do is remove things like this one here, where I've already taken one of the stickers, remove it so that I have space to stick in another sticker. And the reason I like having them all exposed like this is that I can literally just peel off the sticker straight away, whereas I've seen some people put them in plastic sleeves, which is great because it protects the stickers, but then I have to take it out of the plastic sleeve. And I'm just the sort of person where the more barriers I have, the less likely I am to use something, so I had to make it as functional and easy to use as possible. The downside is that sometimes these sticker pieces might fall off, and it doesn't feel the most clean, if that makes sense. So there's pros and cons, but you can see here, I'm just going to do a really quick flip through, and then at the end, I'm going to just film myself speeding through, adding all these ones to this booklet. So I've got a bunch of quarter boxes of lots of different types of kits. I'm really sorry that some of it's cut off. Or maybe I need a wider lens. This is like the habit tracking page. Then I have some like mini to-do lists. You can see massive icon pages, lots and lots of icons left over from previous kits. These are all just like functional icons, so they're not like circular, but they're still, they kind of act the same as what an icon would do. I have a lot of half boxes here. I used to try and add the name of the shop next to it so that when I used the sticker, I could still tag them on Instagram or link them in my YouTube description box. And then it just got way too insane, so I've stopped doing that now. More quarter boxes, and then we have loads of activity boxes. Lots and lots of activity boxes. I don't know, I couldn't use all of these in the spread, so you have a lot of leftovers. We have some hydration stickers over here, more hydration stickers, all from Lily Plans. Then we have some glitter headers. I love the glitter headers. This is probably my most used because a lot of sticker kits don't come with glitter headers, so I love using that. Some bill stickers, some bill due. I think I have a flight tracker there as well. These are all the flags that I tend to get. I've collected a lot of flags over the years. And then we have labels, headers, labels, so many labels. I think this is probably my most. Yeah, tons of labels. These are full boxes, so sometimes in kits I'll have a leftover full box. So I've got quite a few. They feels like a lot because full boxes are so big, so they take up a lot of space. Then these are what I would consider like the little washi strips. You can get like the full box, and then sometimes you have the strip versions. So these are that. A lot of those as well. Oh wow, a lot. And then we have tons of checklists. Lots of different types. This little section here is all like cancel, reschedule stickers, which I actually dip into this a lot, so that's why there's not very many. More checklists. And then these are the full box checklists, or ombre heart checkboxes. Quite a lot of those as well. Some of these are actually hard to use in different spreads because even if it's pink, it may not be the same sort of pink, so then it mismatches and doesn't look good. So it can be difficult unless it's like an icon is easier to use. These are all the little dots you get, so they can either be bullet points, decorative, it's up to you. These are a bunch of dividers, so all of these ones are like zigzags, and they help break apart the spread. Some weekend banners, some teardrops over here. Some date covers and numbers, a few more cancels that I probably should move over to the other page so it's consistent. Then I have some movie stickers here. These are just, I don't actually know what these were for. These are like full strips. These are like either the bottom strips. I'm pretty sure these were supposed to be bottom strips. I thought for a while they might have been like this section of a personal planner, but I think these are all bottom strips. And then some like random ones that I didn't think went anywhere, like flight, and more. These are, yeah, more washi strips that didn't fit this. See, that's everything in my scrapbook. It's pretty hefty, you can tell. I don't know if you actually can tell, it's quite thick. But I'm quite happy about it because I feel like no sticker goes to waste and there's an opportunity to use everything. So yeah, I'm going to probably spend the next hour or so cutting these ones up and then putting them in here and then putting these into here. So I'm just going to speed up the rest of the video and then end it. So I'm going to just sign out here. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any suggestions, let me know too, because I would love to figure out how to, well, I'm actually pretty happy with it, but if you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear it too. So yes, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.